What's up, Pictures Rolling fam? It's your boy Jay
and Nifa.
And Startup.
And we're doing the
Being Boozled challenge.
And also it's their 6-year anniversary.
So they have two new flavors.
okay.
What is it?
So I'm gonna read the flavors off to y'all. Flavors are buttered popcorn or
There's only
rotten
2.
egg, birthday cake or dirty dishwash, peach or barf. The new flavor is pomegranate or old Band-Aid,
Ugh, Band-Aid.
juicy pear or booger.
Okay. I hate boogers before.
Okay, toasted marshmallow or stinky bug, berry blue or toothpaste, strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish, cappuccino or living onions, which is the second new flavor. My mouth already messed up. So tutti frutti or stinky socks.
Okay, let's do the thumbnail.
Well, we gotta get this open.
Oh.
Cause we'll get the thumbnail. Thumbnail might be what I had did like this. Bean Boozled. God almighty no. Woo! We should have had this prepared before
I was thinking
we
about
got on camera.
I was thinking about opening it, but
Let me open it.
Oh, there it is.
oh, she finally got it open.
Stupid little plastic.
We got this at Walmart.
So there is a little, what is it
Spinner
called?
thing.
Spinner.
Push, show 'em.
So you use that to spin off and it tell us what to get. So each one of us gonna take a turn on spinning.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Hold on, we're gonna start off spinning. So we ain't gotta do rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, go ahead.
We could let Star start off and then then it'll come to me. And that way
That's gonna be out of the way. Like you don't wanna go down.
it doesn't matter.
Okay,
Like,
go ahead.
we all gonna get the chance, right?
Yeah.
Then you gotta chew it at least 2 times.
3 times.
You gotta
You gotta
chew
do
it
it 3 times.
enough to figure the taste out. Okay?
I should say 5 times so you can make sure you taste it. Alright, 3 times, 3 times.
Alright, go spin.
Oh.
It may have to be
You
flat.
got it flat. You gotta put on the.
Yeah. Your finger
Oh,
camera.
you moved the camera.
Oh no! I got Pomeranian
Sorry, y'all.
or dirty.
No, you got. You ain't
Wait a
thumping
minute.
right. You ain't thumping right.
Okay, now there we go. It's between the lines. Spin it again. What do you say?
Alright, birthday cake or dirty dish?
Birthday cake or dirty? Get a birthday cake. What the birthday cake look like on there? It's colorful, right?
It's colorful. Got the dark.
It got the little.
It's white.
This one. Huck this one. Pick one. Oh man, I do not like
That ain't
playing
it.
games like this.
Oh, that's it.
That's it, Jason. Get one.
Okay.
We all
scared?
got to do it.
You don't want to do it?
Yeah, I do it.
I don't want to,
Hello.
but 1, 2, 3, go.
Birthday cake. I got birthday cake.
That's not birthday cake.
Don't push the table. I'm gonna pull back some.
Yeah, that's birthday cake.
That birthday cake we got. Okay. Oh, my thumb. Put it down. I just put it down. See, that's all I gotta do. Blueberry or
Blueberry
toothpaste.
or toothpaste.
Should be used to that. You don't brush your mouth. I'm sorry.
I brush it.
I need to pick one.
How many blues in there? Look like it's only 2 blues.
Hey, why did you start before us?
I didn't bite it. I
Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Go. 2, babe.
Oh, toothpaste. Thank you, Jesus.
I'm good.
Oh,
I
blueberry.
needed that after that nasty.
I
Let
eat
me
2,
see
babe.
what that birthday cake was again.
Dishwater. Dirty dishwater.
I needed this. I'm gonna hold on to this flavor in case I get another bad one.
Y'all know I've been eating the whole thing.
Good for you, cause you had good.
Oh, I had good ones. That's why.
It's my spin star.
Oh, yeah. Please don't be sitting back.
Okay, so
Peach
oh,
or
boy.
barf?
Ooh, barf.
Peach or barf, and it looks
just
like
really-
this.
Alright,
Brown with the specks.
I'm gonna take this one.
That's this one?
Yarp.
Oh, y'all know what barf is?
I don't want to taste no barf.
Barf is throw up.
I don't even know why I want to play these kind of games.
We said we're not gonna do this no more, babe.
I know, I don't even know why I play these kind of games.
Ready?
She wanted to. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, good. Peach.
Peach.
No.
I got peach. Hey, so far so good, boy. Lord been on my side. All I can say. The only bad one I had is toothpaste, so.
Spin Star, I almost want to throw up for real.
I think they do.
That's barf. Pretty dishwater or birthday cake.
Again?
No, we're not doing that again.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
You gotta thump the whole thing. You gotta
I did.
your finger usually. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
If we did it twice, if we do it again, we're not gonna do it again.
Strawberry.
Banana smoothie or dead fish. Oh no.
That's the brown one.
No.
Let me see the color.
That's this one. It look like that.
I believe it's right here.
Okay, I need one.
I'm scared.
You want this one? They got brown specks too. Colorful specks.
Wait, which one is it?
It's right here.
Yeah, this color. Yup, that one. Ooh, dead fish.
1, 2, 3.
Ah!
The look.
Ugh.
Nope.
Oh, mine is banana smoothie.
How did it make it taste like fish?
Golly.
Oh my god, my mouth stank. I can smell it.
Let me
dog.
smell.
It tastes, Ooh. I get the taste out of my mouth.
Oh, it's your blue one.
It tastes like,
Okay. So what?
It's Dado turn.
It is. Jason just for him.
Ugh. That's, hey, my mouth stank. Like smell it. Oh, what that is? We did that already. Peach and barf, we did that.
Okay.
That's in between.
Right?
But yeah, that's in between.
Oh my god.
Okay, this one is only gonna be pomegranate or old Band-Aid. This is one of the new ones.
Oh, jeez, that's the red one, y'all.
Lord, have mercy on us.
You don't even get no bad ones. You only got one bad one.
I got one.
I got 3 bad ones.
Just the same one?
Yes, it's only one red in there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
Pomegranate.
Ugh. That's bad. Hey.
Ooh, it stinks.
Look, it stinks. Yeah, it stinks. It stinks. It stinks for real.
Oh.
That smells horrible.
Boy, them the quickest 3 chews I ever did.
God bless
1, 2, 3. Shake it for me.
God bless your soul. Y'all keep pushing the camera.
Maybe we don't want to play no more.
It's too late. No turning back, son.
It's we just, I think we did there. No. Cappuccino or liver and onions. So it's the black specked one.
Brown specked one.
Look, liver, onion.
I need one. Can I put the thing down?
Oh, why didn't you just... Oh, get that one. That's the wrong one.
No,
That's the only one that's brown in there.
This is brown.
I said the black one
Oh,
with the
that joint
specks
stink.
on.
Man, we need to hurry get this stuff out the house.
You got a black one?
No,
A black
there is no other black one. There's only one.
Then
So
this would be it.
put it back.
It's brown speck.
That's it. See?
That's the only black one.
See it right there?
Yeah, that's the only black one.
But then they got toasted marshmallow, which is this one. So we right.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Cappuccino.
Oh, what that is? What that is?
Liver and onions.
I hate
What's wrong with you?
I hate liver.
What's wrong with you?
That joint stinking nasty.
Ooh, that stuff smell bad. But when you cook it, it smells good.
Jelly beans, why it smell like that?
Y'all
Come on,
keep
you push
pushing
the
this
table,
table.
Sarah.
Back up
You
a
keep
little bit.
pushing the table, you're gonna knock
Back
the
up a
camera
little
down.
bit.
Okay, that's good.
Who spin?
My God. Oh, no, who?
I don't know who
let's start
spin.
with
Oh, I spun.
Oh,
I spun
sorry,
the
let's start
cappuccino. I got coffee in my mouth.
In the middle. Alright. Okay. Okay.
Toasted marshmallow or stink bug. Ugh. Just the white brown one. Please, Lord. Let me get it.
What is that?
Okay. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Toasted marshmallow.
What's the flavor?
Toasted marshmallow or stink bug.
How's about
Ugh.
How's my breath smell?
See, the camera's off on you. I'll put push it more that way.
Yeah.
I'm done with all these jelly beans and stuff. We still ain't tasting them all. We might as well finish tasting them all. So man, let's keep on spinning. We hit the same thing. So which one we need to try?
I don't know.
We need to try
This.
butter popcorn and rotten egg. This yellow one, babe.
Which one?
And for a bonus, I'm gonna eat every single one of them
Come on,
together.
this
Yeah.
We don't need to talk with these stank bug breath stuff. That's not nice.
Go. Oh, that's right egg.
What was it again?
Butter popcorn and rotten egg.
Jesus Christ.
You got popcorn.
For a bonus, I'm gonna eat.
Baby, we ain't finished them all. The blue, the green one,
Yeah,
the
okay.
pear or booger.
Pear booger.
Alright. I thought we did do it.
That's the last one, huh?
No, we still got these pink ones.
Hold on, let me get my pear.
Whew.
Let me see what the pink one is, because I don't see no pink in here.
Then why is there a pink?
I don't know.
With the specs.
It's weird. That's a bonus one. Oh, the pink with the speck is the Tutti Frutti or the Stinky Socks. 1, 2,
Oh, we
3.
did
Booger
that.
or pear?
Oh, booger.
Which one?
Booger.
I mean, boogers are salty, right?
Yeah. So they really put boogers in here?
Maybe.
Dog, if I find out y'all put real bugs and boogers in here, I'm telling you, Jelly Bean, I'm putting you in the chokehold.
What's wrong with you?
Ugh. Okay, I'm done.
Come on, we got one more.
We got one more. What's the last one we got to taste?
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks, the colorful pink one.
What about this dark blue?
What dog blue? We ate that already. That was
Will you
toothpaste.
I'm going. No, that ain't toothpaste.
You talking about this one right here? Is that the one I got? I'm supposed to have this one, right?
Oh, we ain't get that
We ain't
one.
even do the white one.
Oh.
That's dead fish. We did do the. What? We ain't do the white one.
No. All right, like 3, 2, 1. I think I'm in the clear.
I know we said we're supposed to chew it up several times.
Oh. Ugh.
I'm in the clear.
Ugh. It stinks.
That's what making me bad.
It stinks. We throwing all this in the garbage can.
We ain't keeping it.
Right.
Okay, we ate all of them.
We did them all, baby.
We did them all.
I'm gonna do an extra one for y'all.
Ain't you say you gonna eat one of them, each and one? No, I ain't doing it. Hey,
All right, y'all.
That's Star, y'all.
Which one?
Each and every one of these again
Go ahead.
for a bonus.
You gotta eat them all.
This stuff smells horrible. You don't even
Hey, this one's really sweet.
You got good. You got like green pear. Oh yeah, you got some good.
All right, y'all. God was with me with that one. All right, so we're gonna do this one again.
I ain't doing it.
Don't blow your breath in my face, cause that's not nice.
That stuff stank.
Am I in the clear?
You should
no.
want to taste it. You should taste it. Yeah, you got Tutti Frutti.
It tastes disgusting.
I don't know.
You do?
You probably got all that stuff mixed in your mouth. That's why
Oh man, you ain't drink no water, no nothing.
your breath just
You better
stank.
nap your breath. Hey baby, you
You ain't gotta do. You don't gotta do it all. She just took a handful, y'all. Just
Why
for
you
y'all.
doing that?
Oh,
But why you doing that? You don't have to do that to prove nothing.
I'm not proving anything.
You is.
Have fun.
You gonna be sick.
I don't smell nothing, but I'm good. Well, y'all, we about to close out this
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 stank.
video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment.
Thank y'all for watching. Yes, we thank y'all for watching. We thought we'd do a little
We
fun
done.
video.
We done.
I'm
with
not doing this bean
jelly
jump
bean,
no more.
anything
That's
to do with
enough.
beans, hot beans. Nah, we good.
I'm actually bringing this to my friend. He's gonna do it.
Yeah, you can do it with their friends. You cool with that. Have fun. But make sure y'all already know what to do, man.
If y'all new to our channel, you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? It's free.
Uppercut free.
Okay.
All right, y'all. Bye.